Okay, here's my latest victim. That is a 65 Comet Cyclone. Got it for a song and a dance, and there's a reason why. She was hacked up and trashed on, and well, we're gonna bring her back and put her right. It's an original 4-speed car. It's original hypo 283, and it's a A-code car. As you can see, there is a stick shift. It's a 4-speed car. The floorboards are pretty atrocious, so we got a whole new floor pan coming for it. But the sheet metal really in good shape. Windows all roll up and down. A little bit of damage there. The truck is in pretty good shape. We do have some rust down there we got to address. Not so much over here. We're probably just going to glass that in. Hard, you can't find quarter panels for this thing. It's got the 8 3/4, I believe, in it. I'm gonna replace that with the Ford 9-inch out of the El Camino. But the sheet metal, she's in pretty good shape. Again, it's a Comet Cyclone, not just a Comet, so it's got some historical value to it. So we're gonna bring her back from hell. I don't know if somebody's girlfriend just decided to hammer the crap out of that. They did it on both corners over there. Have to bring that back, but that is the latest victim right there. Comet Cyclone.